Changing the phone number on your WhatsApp account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your number quickly. Step 1. Open WhatsApp. Launch the WhatsApp application on your smartphone. Ensure you are logged into the account that you want to change the phone number for. Step 2. Access settings. Tap on the three dots in the top right corner for Android or the bottom right tab for iPhone to open the menu. Select settings from the drop-down options. Step 3. Navigate to account. In the settings menu, find and tap on account. This section contains options related to your account settings. Step 4. Select change number. Within the account settings, look for the change number option. Tap on it to begin the process of changing your phone number. Step 5. Follow the prompts. Enter your old phone number and your new phone number as prompted. Follow the on-screen instructions to verify your new number, which may include receiving a verification code via SMS. Once you have completed these steps, your WhatsApp account will be linked to your new phone number. If you encounter any issues, refer to WhatsApp's Help Center for further assistance.